Hi, welcome to my video on how to stay current in AI. AI is a fast-changing field, and in this video I'm going to introduce a few strategies on how to stay on top of it. Let's dive in. To stay current in AI, I'd like to share with you a few strategies, from AI newsletters to building your own AI network. When it comes to newsletters, I recommend the following three: Ahead of AI, The Batch, and Artificial Intelligence. Ahead of AI by Sebastian Raschka talks about the latest in large language models and AI research. I particularly like the carefully created visuals and the clarity of presentations of latest ML architectures in both text and in code. The Batch is Andriy Ng's perspective on what matters in AI right now. I really enjoy reading the analysis of latest AI events, and I highly recommend this weekly newsletter. Artificial Intelligence is Andriy Burkov's take on the latest in AI. It's a curated list of most important AI news and articles. It's published weekly, and I enjoy going through the list of articles and double-clicking on anything I find interesting. The next strategy I want to share with you is reading research papers. If you're new to the field and are not sure where to start, I recommend the following AI conferences. First, focusing on machine learning, we have NeurIPS, ICLR, ICML, AISTATS, and UAI. If you're interested in computer vision, the top conferences in that area are CVPR, ICCV, and ECCV. Similarly, for natural language processing, you might want to check out EMNLP and NAACL. It's good to get into a routine of reading papers either by allocating some time weekly or joining or organizing a paper reading club at your school or your workplace. I want to share with you several AI resources that you'll find helpful in staying current. First is Papers with Code website, where you can browse state-of-the-art models, datasets, methods, and more. You'll find a number of papers and associated GitHub repos for you to download and experiment with. The second AI resource is Kaggle.com. It's an awesome AI community known for hosting data science competitions. You'll find a number of notebooks, models, and datasets written by data scientists across the world. Kaggle is a great way to practice latest ML techniques in a number of application domains. Finally, my third AI resource is the link to short courses by deeplearning.ai. It's an excellent collection of courses focused on the latest in large language models, from prompt engineering to LLM agents and retrieval augmented generation systems. My final strategy for staying current in AI is to follow the people with high signal-to-noise ratio on social media. I recommend following researchers, professors, and book authors on Twitter and LinkedIn. I'm listing here several folks that I follow personally and who are actively post on social media. Of course, meeting people in person at conferences is another great way of building your professional network. And there you go. I hope these strategies will help you stay current in AI. You can find all links in the video description below. I'm curious to hear how you stay current in AI. Please let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.